Hi everyone, I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and today I'm going to show you how to whip up my favorite coffee buttercream recipe. It's silky smooth, bursting with coffee flavor, and the perfect consistency for filling and frosting cakes and cupcakes. Just look at how pipeable and beautiful this coffee buttercream is on my gingerbread latte cake. I'll link that recipe below too, just in case you need it. Let me show you the ingredients you'll need. I have 1 cup or 226 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3.5 cups or 420 grams of powdered sugar, 1 packet of instant coffee, 1.5 tablespoons of whole milk at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and I'll also be using a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. First, I'm dissolving about 1.5 teaspoons of the instant coffee into the whole milk. You can use espresso powder as an alternative as well. Just be sure that whatever you use, you love the flavor of it in cup of coffee form because it plays such a huge role in the overall flavor of this buttercream. Add the butter into the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment and whip it on high until it's creamy and light. I like to mix the butter for about 5 minutes in total, scraping down the bowl and paddle a few times in between. Next, add the powdered sugar a few cups at a time. I'm using a kitchen towel to cover the mixer while I turn it on low speed, just so powdered sugar doesn't fly out of the bowl when I turn it on. Make sure that the powdered sugar is well incorporated with the butter before you add more, and scrape down the bowl and paddle in between additions. Once you've added and incorporated the last of the powdered sugar, it's time to add some flavor. Pour in the vanilla, the coffee milk mixture, and then add a pinch of salt. Turn the mixer on low speed and mix it up until the buttercream looks smooth and uniform. This takes about a minute, and it's super important that you keep the mixer on low speed the whole time so that you don't get a ton of extra air mixed in. It should look like this when you're finished. Super smooth, uniform, and the prettiest coffee color. If you love coffee, you're going to want to eat this by the spoonful. It's perfect for pairing with almost any cake to create coffee shop inspired flavors. So far, I've used it to make a gingerbread latte cake and a peppermint mocha cake, both of which turned out so tasty. It'll enhance any dessert that would pair well with coffee, so feel free to get creative. If you love cake, be sure to head to my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for more recipes, decorating tutorials, and ideas for your cake making. Thanks for watching.